We're going mini golfing! Yeah! Hey guys, so we're going out to the theater today. As you can see, it's dark out. It's like 8 o'clock. So we're heading out in the dark. First time for Beak is ever on a bike.
Yeah.
Just borrowed some buddy's gear, so we're gonna be heading out.
Get suited up and have fun time seeing Guardians of the Galaxy.
I know, it's gonna be a good time. Hey guys, so we're heading to the movies now. I got Verbeek on the back. Keep me nice and warm, this 6'7" monster. I'm sure he's having a lot of fun on the back. How is it so far? Buddy! Looks like they're closed. What? Yeah man, they're totally closed. Did you see how fast we were going?
That was unreal, man.
Like,
I was smiling the whole time.
and I'm short shifting because I have no traction. That's a little taste. So like, what was that, maybe 5 seconds? We went from going like 60 or 70 to like 130.
That was 130?
Yeah.
Honestly, it doesn't feel like that.
I know, that's why bikes get into trouble so much.
Jesus.
It's because you
It
just,
feels so similar at whatever rate you're at.
I know, it's ridiculous. Alright, so what do you want to do since we got a whole bunch of time to kill?
Yeah, I'm gonna see where there is to hang out, like. Yeah.
There's that little strip mall down there. I'm not sure if we can do anything with it, but... Alright, you want to do that? Okay. Yeah, sounds good. You ready? Okay, let's go to PetSmart. You want to take a picture with the bike though?
Fuck yeah.
Hey, no, before you take off your helmet. Snapchat?
Underneath would have been good. No, we'll do one for the Instagram.
Well, do you want me to take it? I'll take it with my camera. Oh, he's not looking.
It's camera shot.
Or she. Yeah, it's a male. See? It's a male. Overbeak. Big sexy. Yeah, so we took some photos of Verbeek on the bike.
It looks good.
I'll put those up now. And they're pretty sweet. So check out him on Instagram at
Travis Verbeek.
Travis Verbeek. I'll just put it at the bottom. Follow him. He might like it. He's a good guy.
A lot of good volleyball stuff on there.
Yeah, he's a volleyball player. He's 6'7". If you can't, I'm 6'2", and he's way taller than me. This
Big
is
old
a-
passenger.
This is a comparable height.
Maybe you
so-
need me to do that because I got the long arms.
Yeah, exactly. Just don't drop it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that. That's insane. My girlfriend doesn't like cats. Start liking cats, Karina. I want one. But she likes dogs, and I like dogs too, so
These dogs are better.
that's good. No way.
Oh, yes way.
No way. No way dogs are
Yeah, dogs are absolutely better.
No way.
Way better. You look around the signs and they're all photos of dogs, not cats.
Anyways, we were gonna go to the movies, or not the movie, we were gonna go to the mall
It's closed.
before the movies, and it's closed. It's like 8 o'clock and it's closed. So that suck.
It's actually 9 almost.
Maybe we'll go look at some fish. We'll go look at some fish.
Fish. Fish over there though.
Okay. They're like $3. Yep, $3 fish. Buy more, save more. It's a lot of fish to feed though.
It's true, but they don't really eat much.
Yeah.
Wait,
We out here.
isn't there a mini golf place close by?
Is there?
We have like an hour still.
Go check your phone.
I'll do that.
And for all you haters out there, I am wearing my jacket. It's underneath, like you can see the Alpine stars. I am wearing it though, because safety first. Okay,
Go for a quick round of mini golf.
we're going mini golfing! Yeah! Movies
Sports.
and mini golf. Okay,
Best date ever.
where are we going though?
So it's bad.
Is this Cote? That's my buddy, man. No, that's Cote.
Oh, really?
Hey, buddy. What are the odds, man? That's the second time I've ran into him. Yeah, putt blast. Let's do it. All right, we're here.
We're here.
It's pretty sweet.
It's about to go down.
They've got-
mini golf's gonna happen.
Games, mini golf, and laser tag.
We're not laser tagging
I
every
know.
time.
I mean, they have it, so it's good to know.
in the future.
Future. You're gonna be laser tag in the future. Classic for B, freaking holding us up.
Yeah.
Unreal. I can't even believe it.
We got
I got beat by someone else. Are you kidding me?
Oh, this looks so sweet. I like this place.
Well, yeah. There's something else.
Grab. I think we just grab these and then.
give us something maybe, and I think we'll look for another.
Oh yeah.
We'll see when she comes. Those are a little small for me there, but
Alright.
we're gonna need some extra tall.
We'll see what we do. We don't have long. We have like an hour now. I think it would be dinner's close.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
And the three of you.
Get ready to get schooled.
Buddy, you don't even
Oh,
know.
I don't even know if we can see in here. Oh, check this. This is trippy though.
know.
Yeah, you can't really see us, but
I can see the ball, these below. You can see a big white lines, man.
all right.
Right.
You're the pirate, dude.
Obviously, I am a pirate.
Sick, buddy.
Oh no.
Oh, we did it!
Oh!
Oh, where'd it go?
Just missed it. I
Okay,
hit-
it's behind the whale
hit the
tail.
side of the hole.
It's behind the whale tail. Travis, who are you doing this for?
What? For Harambe, obviously.
He's doing it for Harambe. That's for 3.
Not too bad. He's still losing.
I know. Okay, so this is the one Travis said he was gonna chip. So we can't get it through the bridge.
Have to go over it.
We gotta chip it over the bridge. Oh, way to go.
Because we're not just average people.
I don't know where the music went. I was jamming out to those early 2000 hits. I know, it's so bad. This place is kind of cool though.
It's not bad.
I think there's more mini golf places like this than there are normal mini golf. Okay, let's go. Oh, hot damn. Okay, you just unlimited tries until you get it over. You gotta hit it on such an angle that... Yeah, there you go. That's the stuff. Nice. Okay, here you go.
Couldn't get it off the back wall.
Okay. Let's see if I can get first try. Definitely not first try. It's probably not gonna be second.
It's tough being an inferior athlete. Sometimes it just takes more than one try for him to do what I tried to do. Okay, relax a bit there, bud.
Oh! Chipped it off the top. Yeah.
We're just awful. I
That
can't believe you hit the roof.
one hit the ceiling, man. That's good. I like that. Alright, so now we gotta chip it back in. We're not counting these, by the way.
Those
Okay.
are happening.
Okay.
Second
We're
stroke.
not doing it. For two.
Was it in a birdie?
It was really like 6, but
It's okay.
for 2 is good. Okay. Put one in the same spot.
All right, your ninth attempt.
It's the most awkward thing I've ever done.
Okay, Tiger.
Welcome to the African tundra. What you see here is an elephant in its natural habitat. We want to get it in there, so we gotta make sure she's calm and relaxed. Shh. It's okay, it's okay. Now she's comfortable with our presence here. We can go straight underneath. Like an elephant and a mouse, they're very scared about things down near their feet, so we have to be really nice to it to get through.
Oh, good one, good one.
All that work just to miss.
Try number 2. Try number 2.
First try, obviously.
Yeah, just kidding. This is first attempt. Ooh, straight out his butt, right?
Just like Dude Perfect. First try every time.
First try every time. Oh, that's just unlucky. All right, so they start playing better music in here.
Bogey.
That's smart. I don't even know if you can see us, but I don't care.
All they can see is my score beating yours.
No, who's actually winning?
yeah.
Are you winning?
I think so, yeah.
No way.
Sorry, but
Soon though. Oh, I still gotta finish. This will be shot number 2.
yeah, buddy. Oh, sure. Just give me more to do.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that's 3. Welcome to the dinosaur age. Hey, Verbeek, I think he wants to eat something. His ass. Oh, that's too good.
All right, Dan, here you go. We're gonna tally up the scores right before we go into the final hole, and we'll let you know where we're at. We're actually tied going into the last hole. I can't make this up.
Okay, so I think
A 1 is a win, and a 2 is 1 point. A 1 for 2.
okay, yeah.
Because there's 3 holes.
Okay, yeah, so there's 3 holes, as you can see. And there's 2 2s, and there's 1 1.
We have to go up the side.
Yeah. So you gotta shoot it up the side like this way, and it goes up and it's curling in.
A 1 is a win, and a 2 is,
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes.
maybe. Oh no, no.
A 2. Okay, I think that's it. All right, here you go.
Ball back.
Stand up where I was standing. Oh, that's totally a 2. Yeah. tied. That's it for mini golf.